Okay, it is 2025. It is time you get a Matrix themed Notion daily planner, gamified yearly planner, daily habit tracker. This is it. I've done it. I built this 2 years ago. I've been using this every single day for 2 years. Every single day. I've iterated and tweaked this to work every single day for 2 years. First thing I have is Matrix movie clips. This is just cool. It's just cool. This is me at my desk sleeping. I'm Neo, okay? Now you're Neo. So this is in black mode. You can also do Command-Shift-L, and that will switch your Notion to white mode. Obviously, it's designed for black mode, so let's switch it back to black, Command-Shift-L. Instead of having this stuff here, I just have this stuff here. I don't know. I have, different pages in here, neural net and personal notes. I won't get into these, but these won't come with a template. The rest of it will. Okay, so getting into the daily habit tracker. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, okay? Every day goes down this way, and every day I want to do this habit. Get up at 7:20, get up immediately, knock on my phone. Stretch, workout, walk, all these things. And if I do 7:20, if I get up at 7:20 every day of the week, boom, 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 you see this progress bar fills up. And you can see the totals are updating at the bottom. Summarize the weekly score here, and I pass that over here. So I have all my weeks here from the year, but that's too much to see, obviously, so I had to narrow it down to 3 weeks. I'm 37% progress through the day because it's 10 a.m. right now. I have 57% progress through the week because it's Thursday. I'm 61% through the month because it's December 19th, 91% through the year because it's December 19th, 24% through my life because I'm 25 and I'm living to 101. That's my personal goal. So yeah, this is kind of fun, but it's also just like looks good. But yeah, they're all custom formulas to write that, and you can put your age in here to change your age. Okay, this is my average score. So if you want to boost your average, then you have to do more daily checklists. So I'm kind of gamifying this. And this is my progress. If it's trending up, you're doing better. Week 49, which is 64%, 64%. Now, if I want to remember what my stretching routine is, I can open stretch and I can have my stretching routine or stretching habits or pictures or whatever. I can have that. For me, I have in my manifestation, which is laws, I have my manifestation here, rules and constraints. So this is my kind of flow for a manifestation that I don't do every day, but I should. Rules and constraints, gratitude, and then long-term goals, 2027, and short-term goals. So you can fill these out if you want. These will remain the same, and these will remain the same. You're going to clear sections every week. I don't want to have individual pages for each habit each day. It makes Notion bloated, and when there's too many pages and this and that, and it gets slow. So I just use checkboxes, and that's better. Moving below, we have our Life of Discipline habit trackers. So this one is for working out. This one is for staying focused. I have my workouts here, but I like to see consistency over time. So I've recently implemented these. You can change the colors if you pay. I think it's $5 a month. You get custom colors, but I haven't done that yet. This is the Life of Discipline. I'll put the links for these also down below. Super easy. You just log today. I think I already did log today, but you just click log today, complete. Okay, so then it automatically logs that. And you can make these bigger, but they're just more ugly, so I keep them small. Okay, moving on here, we have our annual goals. So daily goals, annual goals. These will help you achieve these, but you need to set these to rationalize these. I want to hit 20K in website revenue this year. I'm 70% completed that. Well, how do you know that? Well, down here you have your to-do list for this. So let's open my 20K website. Now this is not started, in progress, done. So I can move these around. Whereas in progress, maybe I'm at 13 or 16K, whatever. I moved it in progress and 10K is reached. So I'll move that over here, and that updates the progress on my websites. So you can have only numbers if you want. Like let's say my 225 bench. I have all these like kind of milestones here. Let's say right now I'm working on 210. So that's in progress. And once I achieve that, I can move 210 over here, and 215 will be up next, and you'll see it updates here. So I personally like to have both because I don't want to just have monetary goals here. I want to keep track. Okay, well, if I do a YouTube video, that's going to get me closer to my goal. So I might as well have my to-do list in here. So I use these as to-do lists as well. And these are also pages. So I think in here I have some notes. And if you have a task here, buying the car and selling the car and painting my car, and you have you don't have a long-term goal category to put it in, then maybe it's not important. These, if it doesn't fit in here, maybe it's not important for you to focus on. So moving on to the next section, just more matrix photos, just cool. This is my kind of dumping ground. You can categorize so much, but at a certain point, sometimes you need, like how people use Apple Notes. Sometimes you just need a dumping ground to just put things. I don't want to figure out where it is, just put it. And then eventually, when I'm sitting at my desk, I can put it, in its rightful folder. This is my manifestation kind of mood board, whatever. It looks cool, and it's like reminds my brain of what's important, what my goals are, and brings me to that frequency to attract these things. I would recommend putting yourself in your vision board because there's no better way to attract that energy to you when it's yourself. This looks realistic because this is literally me driving a Tesla Model S. I recently went to Bali earlier this year and drove a dirt bike in the mountains. I should literally change this picture of a picture of me because that is the lifestyle I want to achieve. And that's pretty much it. This is Neo sitting at the desk. This is accurate. We have the black cat walking through the lines of code. That is pretty much everything. This will help you remain focused. So if you want to have a killer 2025, you can have this for free. Just click the link down below. You can pay whatever you want. And that will come with a video of how to use it, how to set up these formulas, how to transfer this data over here. I've been using this for the 2 years every single day. It's time I share it with the world. You can have my Matrix, Notion, gamified yearly planner, and you can have a life like the Matrix. You can break free from the Matrix and take control of your life for free. So if you have any more questions or any recommendations, or if you have better suggestions of how I can do this, leave a comment down below. Like the video if you appreciate this, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.